Hi, I'm Mr. Rutherford. In this problem, we're going to learn how to find the surface area and volume. Pools. The pool at the community center is in the shape of a rectangular prism with a length of 75 feet, a width of 32 feet, and a depth of 5 feet. A. The manager, Ms. Thompson, needs to know the surface area of the pool before she has it repainted. Find the surface area of the pool. Okay, we're told that we have a rectangular prism that has a length of 75 feet, a width of 32 feet, and a depth of 5 feet. Now, if you can just picture that mentally and think of an empty pool without any water in it, and it has the same depth all the way throughout. So in this problem, we have the surface area of the pool consists of 4 sides and 1 base. We need to find the area of each to find the overall surface area. So I'm going to set this up into 3 different areas. Our area 1 will be equal to our length, which is 75 feet, times our depth, which is 5. That is equal to 375 square feet. But now we have 2 rectangles that are identical across from each other, and so we're going to multiply 375 by 2. So 2 times 375 is equal to 750 square feet. Okay, that's our first area. Area 2 will consist of our width, which is 32 feet, and our depth, which is 5. So 32 times 5 will be that area, which is 160 square feet. And again, we have 2 which are identical, and so we're going to multiply 160 by 2. And that will equal 320 square feet. So that's our area 2. And we have one more, and we'll call this area 3, which is the base of the pool, or the bottom of the pool. And that's going to be 75, which is the length, multiplied by the width, which is 32 feet. 75 times 32 is 2,400 square feet. Now, in order to find the overall surface area of the pool, we need to add all of these up. So area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 will be equal to 750 plus 320 plus 2,400, which will equal 3,470 square feet. B. If Ms. Thompson fills the pool to a depth of only 4½ feet, what is the volume of the water in cubic feet? Well, in this part, we're going to find volume, so we're going to use volume equals length times width times the height. Now, in this case, height is going to be the depth of the pool, and so we've changed the depth. We've filled it with water, and we still have a length, which is 75 feet, and we also have a width, which is the same, of 32 feet. But in this case, we're going to multiply by 4½ and I'm going to change that to a decimal, which is 4.5. So we have the product of 75 times 32 times 4.5, That simplified would be 10,800 cubic feet. So the volume of the pool when filled to a depth of 4.5 feet will be 10,800 cubic feet.